Hello everyone, I'm at this side. In security, we have a concept which is called by the name of risk. So what is risk? The probability that something can go wrong inside an organization. And there are multiple factors to calculate the risk in an organization. One is called by the name of risk matrix. Risk matrix is the product of impact and likelihood. Likelihood talks about how routinely that particular attack, virus, trojan, malware is going to occur. Like you can say once a month, twice a month, or once a year. That's what we talk about, the likelihood. And then it's the impact. Impact talks about that if that particular organization or the asset meets with that respective incident, how much is the disaster or how much is the damage that can be caused. And that calculates into something which is called by the name of risk matrix. So the higher the risk matrix, higher is the risk for that particular organization. The lower it is, it's the lower for the organization. So guys, this is for it. Thank you.